everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these infused cocktail jars out of dried fruit, which is perfect for a thoughtful gift. For the materials, you'll need fruit, glass jars, sugar cubes, and a dehydrator or an oven. First, cut up your fruit. I'm starting with the limes and jalapenos, and we'll swap out with the mangoes and pineapple later. Then if you have a dehydrator, lay out your fruit in the trays. If using an oven, you'll lay them out on a cookie sheet. Run your dehydrator at the recommended temperature and time, or put the fruit in the oven at the lowest temperature for a few hours. After the minimum time, check on the fruit. It should be pretty firm, but have some play and the majority of the moisture removed. I ended up having to leave some of mine in a little longer because they were still a little too wet. Now it's time to build the jars. I'm starting off with a spicy jalapeno pineapple infusion. Add 4 sugar cubes, an orange slice, 2 lime slices, and a handful of pineapple slices to the jar. I love how they look when fully built. Next, I did the same with the spicy jalapeno mango infusion jar, but swapped out the pineapple for mango. And that's it! These are perfect to make for yourself or to gift for the cocktail lover in your life. I ended up providing instructions and a margarita recipe with mine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.